Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. Today, in this video, I'm going to color my hair, my natural short hair. And if you want to see how it turns out, keep watching because it's going to be interesting to see what it comes out like. I haven't done that in a while. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If this is your first time here, you have picked the right channel because on this channel we do everything with fun and enthusiasm and to build and motivate the next person. So let us go, go, go. Ghanaian Nutris is the brand, and the color say Raspberry Jam 362. This is it right here, and it says darkest berry burgundy. And over here you will see, it tells you the color of your hair, what results you might expect. Okay, first I'm going to use my Vaseline, glasses up, and I'm going to put it around the edges of my face, my hair. They have correct words for it, but over here, whatever comes to mind, I say, so everybody can understand. I try to make it as simple as possible. And I put it here, also behind my ear, and the back of my neck. That's that, number one. Now we gotta do, I read all the stuff while I had my glasses on. So now it comes with these gloves right here, but I'm going to use my gloves. I always have this on hand because I'm always, before now I don't color as much as I used to. I used to color my hair at least every so many months a different color. So now this is what we do it. You know, I'm in serious business. Two fingers in one. We're in business. We have gloves on. We are going to do something. First, the first thing I do, I have a developer number 20 volume. I'm going to use this. I am not a hair colorist. I am just doing this for me. Do what works for your hair because I don't want you to destroy your beautiful hair. So whatever works for you, you need to do it. I take this and I'm going to put it in my hair and you will see the process. But please, don't do what I do. Do what works for you. As you can see, I am just taking it and putting it in my hair. Just like that before I put my color in. So again, do what works for you. If this doesn't work for me, I have no problem cutting my hair. I know some people don't like to cut their hair, but I have no problem cutting my hair. I had very long hair before, past my shoulders. So I know what it feels like to have long hair and what it feels like to have short hair. I have always cut my hair. I've always colored my hair when I was relaxed and natural and relaxed and now natural again. So, you know, do what works for you. Please, 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 please don't do what I do. This is just me showing you what I do with my hair and my color. So I'm coloring my short natural hair. I'll let this sit for a while and I'll come back and show you what it looks like, okay? Stay tuned. We are ready to start. I am going to take the letter A, hopefully you can see it. And I have to open it, point it away from you. I'm going to take letter B, and I am going to open it, and I need to put letter B in A. Open it up! Something already went wrong. Oh well, it stays there. This little red cover, this little red ring was around here and it fell in, so I took it off. I guess it's a safety seal. So now I'm going to take B and squeeze. I had to make a hole on the inside of this so it can flow better. See the difference now? Okay, now all the color is in the activator. B is in A, which is the activator. I am going to, and you can smell it, make sure you're in a well ventilated area. Now I'm going to take C, which is the avocado oil. C is triple oils, avocado, olive, and shea oil, and I am going to put it in A and B. I'm cutting it with the scissors, and this is C, triple oil, and I am putting it in here. Make sure I get all of it. Okay, now all of that is done. I am going to unscrew the top of this. I'm going to cover bottle letter A, which has everything in it, and now it's tight, and I'm going to shake it so I can mix everything. Always shake away from your face in case something happens. It goes this way and not in your eyes. This is the mixture of everything, and I'm ready to color my hair. Let us do this thing. Let's see what happens. Right? I think I have more than enough in here, but I'll use what I need. The rest I'll throw away. Always throw away the remaining. If you save it in the bottle, that can explode. Again, this is a permanent hair color. Keep yourself in a well ventilated area because the fumes are toxic. The fumes are strong. I'm going to leave it for 25 minutes and then I will come and show you what it looks like. So this is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to do the rest of my hair and I'll be back. It smells, although I'm in a big space, so make sure you're well ventilated. This is what the color looks like in the bottle, the hair color. And this is what my hair is looking like so far. Now watch the color of my hair. This is what it's looking like. And I'm going to put the Garnier Nutrice After Color Mask Treatment in. And that's letter D. This is what it looks like. I'm using all because I want my hair to stay healthy. My hair is very dark, so the color always goes down to the roots first. Unless I bleach the hair to do it, which I should have, but I didn't. I'm supposed to leave D in between 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse it out. I have washed it out and put my hair mask that they provided in there. This is what it looks like. It looks a little darker, but it doesn't look like the red. I should have bleached it, but I didn't have time to go to the bleach place today. So in the next 6 weeks when I do it, I'll bleach it and put the same color in. But this is what it looks like. You can see a little of the color on the side. If you look on the side, you'll see a little of the color, and I guess in the light, maybe in the sunlight, you'll see the color. But that's what my hair looks like. I'm going to dry it. But this is it. This is it. It loosened up my curls, I must say that much. My curls are loosened up. So this is it. If you like this video, please give this video a like, share it with somebody else, color natural hair, and this is what it is. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. Stay safe, be careful, be well, but do baby steps towards whatever it is that you need to do, and let fear step aside. Bye.